Forgotten username recovery failed on Curve Card Fix. If your Curve Card username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because Curve has shifted away from traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that your email address now serves as your main login credential, which is why forgot username attempts often don't work. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open the Curve app and enter the email link to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past notifications from Curve, like transaction alerts or account updates. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your registered email. Don't forget to check spam or junk folders if the email doesn't appear quickly. Step 3. If you signed up using Google, Apple, or another third-party login, make sure to log in using that same method. Switching login methods is a common cause of failed recovery attempts. Step 4. If none of these steps work, contact Curve support directly. Provide your full name, email, and explain that the forgotten username recovery failed. Curve support team will verify your identity and restore access safely. Most users think their account is lost or frozen, but the reality is simple. Curve removed usernames to simplify login and boost security. By following these steps, you can regain access quickly. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back using your Curve card effortlessly.